Hey guys, today I want to do something a little different. This is a Steven Universe puzzle set that I recently found at Walmart. I can't remember how much this was. I want to say maybe $8. This one is 50 pieces and it's Garnet with Arcade Mania. There were quite a few different sets. I only picked up 2 and you'll see the other one in another video. Here is more of the 50-piece sets, I believe. There were also some bigger sets. The other one I have is bigger. So this is what the box looks like. I'm going to get this opened up and I'm just going to put it together for you guys. And let's see if I can do this without too much struggle. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how it comes out. There's this booklet, 2 bags, and then Garnet comes pre-assembled. Her legs don't want to stay in, so I'm trying to keep them in. She does come apart at the legs, the hip, and the head. And she's slightly articulated. Her head turns, pretty sure all the way around, yep. But it doesn't really go up or down. The arms go up and down, but not out. And same with the legs, they go up and down, but not out. Let's set this over here real quick. See, her one leg fell off already, like I said. They don't want to stay in, which is not boding well for me. So here's the little booklet it comes with, and it's got basic instructions here. It does look like she comes apart more, but she comes pre-assembled, and it didn't seem worth it to sit there and try and do that. So, oops, here's the graphics for it. So yeah, we're going to see if we can put this thing together. I'm gonna open up the pieces. 1 second. Okay, so I tried to put like pieces together just to make my life a little bit easier. And I'm gonna try to follow the instructions off screen just to make my life a little bit easier. The instructions really are not super clear. They're not labeled or anything. So, you know, we're just gonna do our best here. So we start by connecting these ones. And I'm putting it on backwards. Give me a second, guys. I really don't want to go on. I don't know, I just feel like this isn't going to be as easy as I thought it might be. It really doesn't want to pop on as easily as I'd hoped. Okay. So this is where we're at right now, and then we need to put this piece right here on. Okay. These really don't want to go on, guys. Just fair warning. Okay, so next we're gonna put one of these flat pieces on there. So this is where we're at after step 4. So step 5 is just putting this on down here. Okay, easy enough. Okay, step 6 is attaching these little guys to these. Okay, so let's move on to step 9, which is finding more of these and connecting them to this. Okay, and then 10. I need to apply this sticker to this piece right here. So that's how it looks with that on. And let's sure I got it the right way. Okay, I do. And this hooks right here in the middle. Maybe. Okay. And then that hooks onto this, it looks like. You know, this is on crooked. Or not crooked, just wrong. Just wrong. Okay. Fix that. Now let's try that again. You have to be really careful with the ones with two pegs because the direction really does matter. Don't think this is actually in the spot it needs to be in. Okay. So that was step 11. Step 12 is attaching these and then attaching this barbecue piece on top. Okay, and then that all goes right here. Okay, so those were steps 12 to 14. Okay, so step 15 is just putting these in the holder. Three little, okay, so this is where we're at now. Step 16 is to connect all of these. So you just are gonna stack them together like so. And then we're gonna apply a sticker to it. And that's gonna be this big one right here. So once again, I am gonna do this off camera. So once these are together, I feel like you can't really take them apart because of the stickers. You know, I could be wrong, but that's kind of the vibe I get. Because, yeah, the stickers go over multiple pieces. So if you try to take it apart, I think you would probably ruin the sticker. Okay. So this is how it looks with the sticker on. And then this piece goes up here. And that was step 17 and 18. Step 19 is gonna be attaching these flat pieces to this, to one of the side pegs. And then these go on top in the second peg. Okay, so next we have to attach this sign right here. I'm confused because I have another sticker here and I don't know where it goes. But, you know, I'll re-look through the instructions in a second. So this attaches right here, which is not really wanting to go on fully. There we go. And then these little meat sticks go up here. Diagram has this one on the right and this little one on the left. Okay, so if I'm understanding correctly, that should be the last step I need before putting Garnet on there. But I'm confused because there's the extra sticker, like I said. So I'm gonna double check. You know, I was supposed to put the sticker on pretty early on, guys. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna pause it and take it apart for half a second and put it back together with the sticker. For your reference, this is the piece that sticker goes on. They don't show it in the instructions, they just have it on there already. Okay, so there's the game fully assembled. I did take these out to put in Garnet's hands. My set came with 2 extra pieces. I'm not really sure why they're not listed in the things that are included. But I don't know. They're there. They're extra. I didn't need them. Unless I missed them and I did need them, but I don't think I needed them. It actually looks like I chipped the paint a little bit on one of the chicken pieces, trying to get it into her hand. Not chicken. I keep saying chicken, but their hands. Yeah. I can't seem to get this one in and see the paint is rubbing off. Where I'm trying to get it in. Okay, that's the best I can do. So I think she's probably going to drop these. They don't seem very sturdy. But yeah, then you can just peg her right on there. And adjust her how you want her. But she doesn't seem to stand up all the way. So I think I'm just going to bend her slightly. So yeah, this is the end result. Which, you know, it's really cute. I wish it were a little bit better quality because, as I said, it really is hard to get together and it seems like the paint isn't too hot. But yeah, overall, I'm not unhappy with it. So here's the full list of other sets that are available. The other one I have is Steven's Kitchen with Amethyst. So that's what we will be doing next time. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you're going to get any of these sets. If you had the same struggles I did or if it's just me. And have a good one. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.